In this video, I'll be binding FlySky FS-GT3B transmitter with a brand new FlySky FS-R6B receiver. Hey guys, welcome back to Big Song Hobbies. Today I'm going to show you how to bind a new FlySky FS-R6B receiver with my FlySky FS-GT3B transmitter radio. FlySky FS-R6B has 6 channels to receive the signal, and it has one extra port for battery in case you want to power the receiver via VEC. Along with the receiver, you should have gotten a binding jumper which is needed for the binding process. Make sure you have batteries in the transmitter. GT3B can control several models, so select the model number that you're going to bind it to. In my case, I'll be binding to model number 0 and turn off the transmitter. Connect the binding jumper to the battery port of the receiver. The orientation doesn't matter as it's a loop. Now connect the ESC connector to either channel 1 or channel 2 of the receiver. I normally use channel 1 for string servo and channel 2 for ESC, so I'm going to plug the ESC connector to channel 2. The orientation of the plug doesn't matter here. Make sure that the black wire or the negative wire is facing the outside of the receiver. Then make sure to connect the ESC to the battery. A red LED light should be blinking, indicating that it is in the binding mode. For the next step, press and hold the bind key of the transmitter and turn it on. Bind key on the FS-GT3B can be found here. The red LED of the receiver should stop blinking, which means that it has successfully binded. But hold on the bind key for a few more seconds before releasing it. Disconnect the battery to the receiver. Remove the binding jumper. Turn off the transmitter. Then back on. Reconnect the battery to the ESC to power on the receiver. And you should see a solid red light. I have connected string servo to channel 1 as well. Now you can check if all servos are working as expected. Steering is working. Throttle is working as well. The receiver is bound to the transmitter. Thanks for watching.